Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix McDonald's app not showing checkout. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So there's a few things that you might you need to do here for you to fix this problem. So first thing that you want to check here is if you have a stable internet connection. So if you're having internet connection problems, like for example, you're unable to access google.com via your device, then most probably the issue or the cause of the issue itself is from your internet connection. So you might want to change your internet connection to a different one. Like for say you're using Wi-Fi, you might want to use your mobile data and see if that solves your issue. Now, if that's not the issue and you have a stable internet connection, the next thing that you might want to do here is to basically log out from your account and re-logging in. So this is the easiest way that you could do that, and sometimes this short or simple method of doing so would actually solve most of that issue. Now, if that doesn't work, the next thing that you want to do here is just basically restarting your phone. Sometimes a good restart on your mobile phone would actually solve the issue itself. Now, once you've restarted your phone, the next thing that you want to do here or to check here is if there are any VPN running on your mobile device. So sometimes if you're using VPN, this would actually disrupt your internet connection or will cause any issues on the application itself. So make sure that you turn it off whenever you are having this problem. Now, the last thing and the final thing that we could do here is to check if there are any updates on the McDonald's app. So if there are any updates, it's best to install that to avoid any issues on the app itself. So go ahead and open up the Play Store and just search for McDonald's and see if there are any updates, because sometimes the updates for our application on our mobile device will not be automatically installed on our device, so you have to manually update those. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.